Esnyr John Ronaldo, born December 15, 2001, in Davao del Sur, known mononymously as Esnyr, is a Filipino social media personality, actor, and comedian. He studied petroleum engineering at Palawan State University. Esnyr is a popular social media personality in TikTok, known for his videos depicting classic school experiences in the Philippines. He also made parodies of iconic scenes from Star Cinema movies and shows in an online show, Son-sational presents Esnyr. In 2021, he was nominated for and won Trending TikToker of the Year at the PUSH Awards. He was also successful at the 3rd Village People Choice Awards, where he was nominated for and won the Breakthrough Social Media Star of the Year. Esnyr made his acting debut in the 2021 film Love is Colorblind, top billed by Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano. He then starred as a Bedouin student in the television teen romantic comedy He's Into Her in 2022. At the 2020 TikTok Awards, Esnyr was nominated for and won the Creator of the Year Award and the Popular Creator of the Year Award. In 2023, Esnyr starred as Ashley in Third World Romance and as Adele in Shake, Rattle and Roll Extreme. The following year, he portrayed Ermengarde in the film Balota. In 2025, Esnyr became a housemate in the Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. He and his Kapuso duo Charlie Fleming emerge as the 3rd Big Placer duo of the first ever collab edition of the show. Esnyr is also due to appear in the recent film The Last Goodbye is Fiona. Esnyr Ronaldo, the Son-sational viral Beshie of Davao del Sur, has seamlessly transitioned from a TikTok sensation to a rising actor, captivating audiences with his relatable humor and genuine charm. Known for his hilarious depictions of classic Pinoy school experiences and his star sign mashup parodies, Esnyr has carved a unique niche in the entertainment world at nearby concert tickets. His journey from online fame to the big screen began in 2021 with his debut role in the Donnie Pangilinan and Bel Mariano film Love is Colorblind. This marked the start of a fruitful collaboration with the Donbel tandem, as he recently expressed his gratitude for being included in their projects, most recently in their series How to Spot a Red Flag. It's always an honor working with them, Esnyr said, emphasizing his appreciation for the opportunity to work alongside veteran actors. Beyond film and television, Esnyr has also brought his infectious energy to Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. His comedic moments and blossoming friendship with fellow housemate Brent Manalo, the gentle Linong heartthrob of Tarlac, have been a hit with viewers. Their on-screen chemistry, which began in Esnyr's YouTube high school series, has seamlessly translated into the reality show. I'm doing this for the money, maraming obligations na di naba by Aranayengi Family Co., and my online earnings have been helping us get by, he candidly shared. Esnyr's relatability extends beyond his comedic talent. He offers genuine advice on love, a topic that resonates with his young audience. You don't find love, you let love find you, he shared. Don't rush things and focus on yourself. If you learn to love yourself, you become lovable. His journey is a testament to the power of authenticity. Esnyr's ability to connect with his audience through humor and sincerity has propelled him from social media stardom to a promising acting career. As he continues to evolve, Esnyr remains grounded, grateful for every opportunity, and dedicated to spreading joy. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.